Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you room tour of our hotel in Sydney. The name of the hotel is Best Western Plus Stellar and it is just located near Museum Station. So this is the room. This is a 2-bedroom apartment room actually, and we have some stairs coming down which leads to the living area. And let me show you the first room. This is the first bedroom. Since the hotel is located a little bit in the inside street, so the view is not the city view exactly, but from this bedroom we can see that there is the nearby apartment and nearby hotels. The outside street view is available. So this apartment was very spacious since we were 5 people staying, so one additional bed was being provided to us in the living area, one sofa cum bed for the child. So you can see here the stairs are coming from the entry. So on the left side, after we enter the room, there is kitchen. So kitchen was well equipped with all the items that we required for everyday use. There were all the utensils, everything was there to cook. So we were staying here for 2 nights. So pretty much everything was being available here for cooking and having meals inside the room only. So moving next to the washroom, this was the common washroom which was connected to the living area, and it was quite spacious. All the toiletries were available. There were 2 shower heads also in this. So after this, moving to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is a little bit smaller than the other bedroom. The other bedroom was also having a facility of safe, but here there were only cupboards here and drawers here, and the view was also obstructed view since the view was of a inside street only, so there was no point in opening the windows here. But this was having attached washroom, and the room space was also quite spacious, and there is a TV also which will work with Wi-Fi. So there were 2 TVs in this unit. One was inside this one bedroom and another one in the common area. So overall we liked this hotel. Coming to the price that we paid, since we were 5 people staying in this, 4 adults and 1 child, so for 2 nights we paid approximately AUD 800. We liked the check-in part also. The staff was very friendly and everything was located within the walking distance of the hotel, so that was a plus point to this. I hope you guys would have liked this review and it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.